What's going on, everyone? Jonathan Crumpton, Master Trainer, Art Labs Welding School. I got Jesse Hayes, Piedmont lead instructor here with me today. You've seen part one of the 3G TIG root hot pass. Today we're going to be filming a little bit of the field pass on here, okay? So, Jesse, let's go ahead and tell everybody what we're going to be doing.
All right, so we got the root and the hot pass in. I don't like to run dual stringer beads for my field passes. I feel like it creates a lot of trouble later on if you don't tie it in good. You wind up with little air gaps, and that's not what you want on your root or in anywhere in your weld. So I'm just gonna run one weave bead all the way up until I get it flushed where I like it, and then we're gonna cap it off. All right, guys, so we've been working on this for a little while now. Letting it cool off a little bit. This little plate got real hot real fast, but we got it flushed out.
All right, everybody, so that was Jesse running the field passes on our 3G TIG all the way out plate. Tune in next time for the cap.